This week I am testing the very cool Volkswagen ID.Buzz Pro. This is the short wheelbase 5-seater. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The boot door of the ID.Buzz Pro opens electronically, so a press of a button and the same to close it. And it makes that beeping noise while it goes up and down. Now let's find out how the taller range of prams fit in the enormous boot of the ID.Buzz Pro. When the boot of the Volkswagen ID.Buzz Pro is empty, it will hold 22 shopping bags. Or the taller, sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the ID.Buzz Pro with 11 shopping bags. The taller, sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with 2 sibling seats will fit in the boot with 11 shopping bags without collapsing the pram. And the taller, sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat and the bassinet will fit in the boot of the Volkswagen ID.Buzz Pro with 10 shopping bags. Or the taller Urban Glide 3 ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels on and unfolded fits easily in the boot with 11 shopping bags. Or the taller Urban Glide 3 double ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot without folding with 9 shopping bags. Or the taller spring, lightweight and one-handed folding stroller fits in the boot of the Volkswagen ID.Buzz Pro with 14 shopping bags. Or you can fit 2 90-litre, 2 70-litre and 1 40-litre taller chasm duffel bags in the boot. Or you can fit some large dogs. In the front of the cabin of the ID.Buzz Pro, it's really lovely and comfortable and very modern in here. Now, I had an original Volkswagen Combi, and somehow this feels a little bit like it, even though it's really modern and new and fully electric. I think it's the enormous windscreen and the seating position. Something about the steering wheel as well just really reminds me of our old Combi. Now, in the front, the storage is fantastic. The other thing that reminds me of my old Combi is this, the central console here. It is removable, and that's fantastic because then you've got that walk through to the back, which is exactly what my old Combi had. Now, that is removable, but if you leave it there on the top here, you've got great storage, great for snacks. You can put phones in there and all sorts of storage available. Now, in the front here, you can click this down and you've got 2 cup holders in there. They will hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, and there's also like a bucket or rubbish bucket that you can pop in there too. Really nice and handy when your kids pass you all their rubbish through. There is a big glove box in the front here that would hold my iPad and wallet with the manual, or the first aid kit fits in there. There's another like grippy shelf above that, really good for phones and all sorts of things when you're on road trips. The door bins are a good size in the front here. They'll hold a refillable water bottle and an iPad and wallet fit in there. Above them is another grippy shelf. So lots of storage in the front here and really useful. There's also a wireless phone charging slot beside the steering wheel and another little shelf, good for the key on the other side. Passengers are kept really nice and comfortable in the back of the ID.Buzz Pro. There are air vents in the ceiling on both sides of the second row, as well as in the ceiling above the boot as well. There's also controls for the aircon above the left-hand side ceiling. There are lights in the ceiling as well. Just you can press on, or you can turn them on from the front as well. Storage in the back of the ID.Buzz is great. In the back of the central console box, there's a large drawer you can pull out, and in there you'd easily get kids' books or snacks or phones. They'd fit really easily. In the back of both of the front seats, there are mat pockets that will hold and conceal an iPad. Above them is a tray table that you can flick up. It has a cup holder in there that will hold a kid's drink cup. My kids loved having those. They thought they were on an aeroplane. And above that is another little pocket that's great for popping a phone in or a kid's toy. Now, in the doors in the back here, there's lots of storage. The door bins in the bottom are enormous. You could easily get a water bottle or an iPad or something in there. Above there, there's another shelf, nice and grippy, so you could pop a phone or anything in there without it moving around. And you've also got USB-C charging sockets in there too. These rear doors slide open in the back of the ID.Buzz, which is fantastic. It prevents kids opening the door out into the car park next to you. And when it comes to installing child seats in the back of the ID.Buzz, there are Isofix in the two outer second row seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're really nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three seat backs, and they're easily accessible either through the boot or by sliding these second row seats forward. Now the second row seats are split 60-40, so you can slide them backwards or forwards to distribute legroom however you need, or boot space. Now, as I say, I could fit 3 child seats really nice and easily across this second row. It's really spacious back here. And when it comes to legroom, there is ample. We managed to fit a 186 centimetre driver in front of a rear-facing child seat. I think possibly you could get a taller driver in there. And the footwell is really nice and flat in the second row, so really nice and easy for kids to access their seats and for grown-ups too. The media system in the Volkswagen ID.Buzz is really lovely and simple to use on this central media system. Now, you've got the controls at the top of the screen here, the shortcuts. So on this one here, you've got all your options. So you've got your charging screen in there, and you've got your vehicle screen in there. So you can go in and just change and check on everything as you like. Now, you do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto Wireless, so you can access your phone and apps while driving. And when you press on the parking button, it brings up the cameras, which is excellent, so you don't have to put it in reverse to get those. You've got your aircon controls along the bottom of the screen, the climate controls that just pop up when you press here. And you've also got the ability to control the rear climate as well. You can lock it up here and turn it on and off as well, which is great when you've got little ones in the back, like my daughter who fiddles with everything. If you go into settings, you can go in and change a lot of things about the vehicle and just customize it how you like it. Now in drive mode, you can select which style of driving you're doing. And across here, you've got sound. So this is a really good one for families. So you can change everything to how you would like it for your family. And you've got some different selections here. So pure, relaxed, sleek and vibrant. Again, nice when you've got a family to customize it how it works for you. Now, if you put it into reverse, you've got those cameras there. So really lovely and clear. You can see really well around you as well. And you can just change the image there too. And you can turn the parking sensors on and off with a button on the screen as well. The Volkswagen ID.Buzz Pro is really lovely to drive. It's really fun and just feels cheeky to drive. It's really lovely. Now, being fully electric, it's nice and smooth and quiet. It's got about a 422 kilometre range to the battery, which is ample for our family for our weekly commutes and school drop-offs. Also, being fully electric, you've got the great benefits of being able to sit while your little ones have fallen asleep in the back without chewing through fuel. Now, the turning circle is really good in here, so parking and manoeuvring is really nice and easy. The steering's nice and light, and the visibility is really good as well. I can see straight up the back, even with 3 child seats installed and with the cameras and mirrors too. So to sum up with the Volkswagen ID.Buzz Pro, it is a fantastic baby drive. You can fit 3 child seats across really nice and easily in that second row with lots of room around them and fantastic leg room. The boot space is really big in here. As you've seen, we've been able to stand the range of taller prams up in the boot without even having to collapse them down, which is such a win for parents. Now, the drive is fantastic. Not only is it really happy to look at and really good fun, but the cameras are really good too, and the media system as well.